Here's how you change your screen size on a Philips Smart TV. So go to the home screen by pressing this house button on your remote and then go up, up, right, right, right and right until we hover over the settings. Click on OK, and right here we want to go to general settings. Okay, and then scroll down until you see this option. So HDMI Ultra HD might look something like this for you. So just click on OK. It will give you a prompt for the eco reminder. And here you have to select the slot that you're using for your HDMI. So I'm just going to do HDMI 1. And as you can see, we have standard or optimal. So the optimal one is for 4K. You can read right here, Ultra HD, but if your picture is getting distorted, then you want to go standard, and then it will change your screen size that way to match the one of the output. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.